all, I'm going to show you how to make a simple art out of metal wire today. I've named it the Tree of Life. It's very easy to make, and once it's done, it just looks like you've bought it from a decor store, and this is my personal favorite. To begin with, you will need 10 meters of metal wire. You can get it from Amazon or any local store, and there are other colors as well like gold, bronze, but I chose silver to make this tree. It costs around 100 rupees. You will need a plier to cut the wire and a sharp plier to twist the wire and a 30 centimeter long scale, a cardboard sheet and a storage box. So let's begin. It takes around 1.5 hours to make this, and if you have someone helping you, you can make it faster. I'm making this one with the help of my brother. To begin with, just cut off the tip of the wire and measure it against a 30 centimeter long scale. This would be the height of the tree. So if you want to make a bigger tree, just adjust the size accordingly. Cut the wire once you've measured it against the scale. Now repeat this process until you get around 35 odd metal sticks. Make sure you straighten the metal a bit before you cut it because the metal sometimes tends to bend a bit. I got 35 sticks by cutting the wire against this 30 centimeter long scale. Next, take a cardboard sheet, draw a circle using a compass or the cap of a bottle. Make holes with the help of one metal stick which you've already cut. And then place the cardboard on top of a storage box like this. Poke the sticks one by one randomly on the cardboard. As you can see, I've been trying to place them in such a way that one stick is placed opposite to the other. Don't place them side by side. Now turn the cardboard and gather every stick together and scrunch it a bit like this. You have to bend it slightly so that a few sticks stick together. Make sure not to squish it completely. Now with the help of a plier, twist everything together. This will eventually form the roots of the tree. Leave about 5 to 6 centimeter gap and then twist it. Also, you will need to follow a simple pattern. First time you twist all the wires together. Second time, twist one portion of the wire. Third time, twist another set of wire. Something like you divide wires into 3 to 4 parts and then twist each one of them. Once you've got the frame of the root, now let's move to the branches of the tree. Again, divide the metal wires into 5 to 6 sections. Divide it in such a way where it extends like the petals of a flower. Now make sure to twist and twine the base of each section. It makes the branches look sturdy. flower section, it's a knack you will eventually learn after making 3 to 4 of them. So don't worry if it doesn't look neat while you start off with it, because this is anyway each flower should look a little different from the other. One can have 4 petals, the other can have 5 to 6, the other can just have 2 rounds. You just have to go randomly with it. What I mean to say is, don't make it look identical, then the tree will lose its beauty. To make this, choose one stick at a time. We're going to use a sharp plier for this. Roll in the free end of the wire to make a hole. Now hold the plier just a little below it and again twist the wire to make another hole, and continue this until you get 5 to 6 petals, which sort of resembles a flower. Watch this portion carefully, and after 3 to 4 attempts, I'm sure you'll be able to make it easily. So we're done making the leaves of the tree. Make sure to twist the branches once the leaves are made to give a complete definition like this one. Twist small portions of the root as well in the same fashion. If you have a stone or a marble piece or anything round, fix the roots of the tree on it and just look at the tree of life now. Place it near a lamp and it looks so beautiful with the background light. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I'll see you soon with another video.